Primary and secondary source. In the year 3000 BC, there was a man named Tukataka Numanama. He thought that he should write a diary on how and where he would like to be buried and what items he would like to be buried with. After he wrote it, he hid in a very special place where he thought that his descendants would find it. It was located in the only spot of shade in Egypt. They did find it, and he was buried with shiny items inside his tomb called the Tuka Pyramid.
In 2010, there was a man named Chaka who went on vacation to Egypt. When he got there, he was very tired and decided to sleep under a tree. He woke up and he found a book. Chaka opened the book, and it was a diary about where an ancient Egyptian was buried and what items he was buried with. This is called the primary source. Chaka looked for days for the secret hidden pyramid. After a while, he said, "Forget it, I'm going to look at the Sphinx." As he was walking up to it, he stepped on a board and fell deep into the ground. He fell in a huge pyramid. He said, "This might be the Pyramid of Tuka."
As he walked all the way down the pyramid, he found an opening. He walked into it and found a huge room full of diamonds and gold. So Chaka walked around the room and found a mummy and a sarcophagus made of gold. It was the tomb of Tukataka Numanama. So Chaka got out and wrote about the tomb. This is an example of a secondary source. Chaka's article got published in a social studies book, which is another example of a secondary source.
By Wyatt, Whitney, and TJ.